In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use image prompts in Midjourney. So these are super powerful. So say you want to create some video game assets and you have an image of video game assets that you like and you want to recreate some like this in Midjourney. What you're going to do is you're going to do /describe. Now, click on here and it's going to open up a box. You can click on an image that you want to turn into a prompt. So hit enter. And wait a second, this won't take long at all. What it's going to do is it's going to describe the image and turn it into a prompt. So you can see it's created you 4 different prompts here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at these and click on the one that is the most accurate. I'm just going to click on 1 just to be quick. It will give you this and click submit. So now what it's going to do is going to use this, it's turned this into a prompt, and now it's going to turn this prompt into 4 images based on this. So you've basically done image prompt to image. Now, we'll wait for it to render. This might be slow, this might be fast, depending on how complex the image is. But you can see already that this one's looking okay. I'm not sure about these ones, we'll see. Actually, they're looking all pretty good, to be honest. Now, obviously, you'd spend more time going through these and checking which are the actual accurate ones and which aren't. And if all of these were completely wrong, you can press this little button here, which is going to redo them, and you're going to get 4 new options. Now, this is actually looking pretty good. We'll just wait a few more seconds for it to finish. And boom, there we go. We have recreated this image and we've turned it into another image in a similar style. And you can see that these are really, really cool. Now, if you like one of these loads and you want to download it and upscale it, press U on the one it is. So this is number 1, this is number 2. Number 3 and number 4. So let's say we like the 4th one, we'll do U4, and that's going to upscale the 4th one. Now, say we like the 4th one here, but we want maybe some changes on it. Maybe we want to see what other options it can give us. What we're going to do here is we're going to click V4, and that's going to create variations of the 4th one. Now, while that loads, I'll show you how to download this image that we've created. You can click on it here, and you can right click on it, or you can click Save Image. Do whichever one you prefer. And now we'll just wait for these variations of images 4 to come up. Okay, so the other one was taking a little while, so I've put variations of 3 instead, and this is what it created me. So you can see here, the characters changed a little bit, the backdrops have changed in all of them, and the cars have changed in all of them. Now, from here you could create more variations, redo it, or you could just upscale the one that you liked. Now, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.